Hello everyone, I'm Prashant Veeru. I'm from Mysore. I graduated in the last year 2022 with Electronics and Electrical Stream. Recently in the March or April, I got to know about Emertxe from my relatives and they suggested me that embedded systems is one of the definitely promising and upcoming fields in the future. So I joined in the March month. So from there, I had undergone a couple of comprehensive modules, that is advanced C, data structures, microcontrollers and all. All the modules were very good. They were very hands-on. Like with respect to the assignments and all, we were given full importance to that. The assignments helped us a lot. Like also the projects were also very intuitive. The faculties were very good, and after 5 to 6 months, I have got placed in the good company Mando. Anyone who wants to pursue their career in embedded systems and they are looking for training, I would highly recommend you to join Emertxe Bangalore.